What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over my 7-figure CPA affiliate marketing success story and why I truly believe that law of attraction is real. Why I still practice it till this day, and it still hasn't let me down. And I just want to reintroduce myself kind of to my audience, because I know I have a bunch of subs or whatever, but a lot of you guys don't really understand my transition from the person I was before successful CPA affiliate marketing to the person I am now, because I'm a totally different person. I haven't really posted on this channel in a while. The reason is I just had to kind of get regrounded with everything that was kind of going on, with society. Of course, everybody knows with the lockdowns, everything like that took place last year, but it's a new year. It's 2021. So I want to focus on more positive. I don't watch the news. I don't watch TV. I don't watch any of that. You probably see a big TV behind me, big 65-inch. I do not watch that. That TV never gets turned on. It's kind of just there for, I guess, decoration. But I just want to break down exactly the principles and my values, because that's what's really important. That's what's really going to get you to the next level and get you to see success. Now, of course, I could have made a video on this channel right now that's basically saying, tutorial, step by step, click here. But that's what, my private coaching is for. That's what my training is for. You guys on YouTube need to develop a mindset. It's going to be a mindset that allows you to see success with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, how can I break this down more simpler? Because I really want beginners to grasp what I'm about to break down in this video, because you have to understand, when I first started out online, I was a person with very, very limited beliefs. My beliefs were, I'm not good enough. I don't have any money. I'm not smart. Just very, very, you might be saying, well, how are you telling yourself that? It wasn't stuff that was my beliefs that it'll come out my mouth, I'll say it. It was just rooted in my subconscious from growing up less fortunate. It's stuff like that just formed my beliefs. It formed my beliefs when I got older. So you are who you are. You have beliefs. You have certain thought patterns. You have certain values and principles in your head now, but they might not be wealth principles, wealth values, happiness, success, money, love, health, prosperity. You might not have those instilled in you right now, but you can instill those beliefs within you, because a lot of people start off with limiting beliefs, start off with bad subconscious beliefs about themselves, not having enough money. I'm not good enough. I'm not cute enough. I'm not skinny enough. It's just certain stories we all tell ourselves, and you have to realize what your stories are, and you have to kind of turn them on its head, flip the story around. You have to install new stories. So in the beginning, it was a bunch of just figuring out this information. And of course, I didn't just think of it at the top of my head. It was videos out there that I would watch. The Secret was a good starter, but I kind of went deeper than that. So I would focus a lot on what Jim Rohn would say. When it came to law of attraction, I would focus a lot on what Bob Proctor would say. I also read books like Think and Grow Rich many times. I don't even believe you need 100 books out there. I believe if you just start with Think and Grow Rich, that can really change everything for you, because that's the first book that actually changed everything for me and started changing my beliefs. So you might be saying, okay, Chanel, beliefs. That's just a pillar right there. You have to reevaluate your beliefs. You have to kind of, I don't want to say meditation, but you kind of do need to sit there quiet and just see, for a couple days, 3 days, just pay attention to your thoughts. Pay attention to when you're trying to take action with CPA marketing or whatever you're trying to do in life. This is what I did. I paid attention to things that would come up as I'm taking action. So I might be creating a landing page and I might say, this isn't good enough, or this isn't good. Or I might just tell myself something limiting, in my subconscious, you'll hear it, in your thoughts. You have your mouth where you can speak. You can also speak to yourself in your brain. So in your head, you're talking to yourself. It's stories that's being said. You have to realize this. This is the most breaking thing that I discovered when it comes to law of attraction. We have a subconscious mind. We have beliefs that we have to detach from. And it gets deeper than that, but I'm trying to stay surface level. But so that's one thing. But the next thing is, okay, you realizing what's holding you back. How do you really reaffirm the new beliefs of health, prosperity, money, success, love? Like, how do you attract all these things to you? How do you make that your dominating belief so that more of that stuff comes to you? Because you are what you attract. I make so much money because my beliefs and inside my subconscious, it tells me now that I am abundant, I am wealthy, I am successful, I am rich. Things like that is what my subconscious is now saying. So that's what manifests. So you have to grasp this concept so you understand, this is how I became successful. This is how I'm seeing success with CPA affiliate marketing or anything that I touch. It's not my only income stream. Right now I have 6 income streams. So you have to realize it's all about your belief patterns. It's all about what you're telling your subconscious. So affirmations, reading books are going to be things. So you can either read the same book over and over again. You can listen to an audio book over and over and over again. You can listen to certain affirmation like videos on YouTube, or you can make your own affirmations of what you want to tell yourself, what you want your subconscious telling yourself. So if you want to be wealthy and abundant, what you want to do is you want to make abundance affirmations. I am abundant. I am rich. If you're looking for health, you want to be healthier. You want to, whatever you want to do. I am healthy. I'm eating healthy every day. Just different affirmations for whatever goal you're trying to obtain. So that's all I did. I would sleep to wealth affirmations. I would sleep to confidence affirmations. I am rich videos. I will watch it over and over again. Read Think and Grow Rich over and over again. Now, the things that I'm talking about in this video is nothing new. Like, this has been taught for ages and ages. It's just people are not realizing what's going on in the world. What's going on in the world is there is a battle for your mind. There is a battle for your subconscious. It's a battle for your thoughts. They want you to think, consume, keep buying dumb things, keep just paying attention to the news, worry about, the flu, worry about this, worry about that, worry about getting a shot or something like that. Like, whatever the news is pushing, that's kind of what they want you to think. But you have to realize, in order to be successful, in order to hit your goals, you have to make your life about those goals. You have to make your life about, the principles and the values that are going to come with those goals. But you can already get familiar with the principles and values before you have it. So before you're rich, you can have values and principles of rich and wealthy people. You can obtain those values before you have the money. And guess what's going to happen if you move in that type of direction? The money is going to come. The riches is going to come. So you don't have to focus on what you don't have. And you might say, well, I don't have enough money to run ads. I might not have enough money to do Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever ads is out there. But you don't realize that telling yourself that and saying that and affirming that is an affirmation. You're basically confirming you don't have enough. So guess what you got to start doing? You might say, oh, that's lying to myself, but it is what it is. You have, what did God say? Let the weak say, I am strong. Like, you have to change the story. That's the secret to my success. That's been the reason why I have everything that I have, because I changed the story in my mind. So now my story is filled with abundance and I live an abundant life. So I hope you guys really understand what I'm trying to break down in this video. I just wanted to kind of share why I believe I became successful and how. And that's because I changed my thoughts. I changed my beliefs. I read books. I listened to videos. Whoever was an expert in changing beliefs and subconscious, I most likely saw the videos. And I still don't stop learning. I still listen to, and when I'm in the car, my motivational tapes. I still, not tapes, but MP3s. So I have those programmed to my car. I actually got a new car and reprogrammed them to my new car. So every car that I have, like when it was my old Ford Explorer, 1998 Ford Explorer, I was playing CDs. Now I can actually save it to my car. So I started these habits when I had nothing. That's what I'm telling you. You have to start when you have nothing. So if you follow what I'm saying in this video, you too will become successful. You too will see the success that you deserve, because this is tried and true. I'm not the only one saying this. Go out there and check other people's law of attraction stories. They're going to tell you they wrote things down. They listened to affirmations. They read books. They changed their mindset. They dove into their subconscious. They learned about the brain. They learned about how, our brain works. And if you don't want to do these things, you're not serious about making money. If you don't want to do these things and you say, well, Chanel, I wish you would just make a video, just teaching me what to click on, click here, click there for your ads. But that's not the truth. That's not what it is. I really had to do a deep dive within myself. And, I make those type of videos. That's what my course is for. My course is open right now, Mogul Training Academy. You can click below this video and see if that's something for you. If you're interested in doing what I did to see over 7 figures with business, but you don't even have to do CPA affiliate marketing to use these principles. It can be applied to any business and you'll see success. And that's just the God honest truth. I developed 6 income streams all using the same formula. This doesn't just work for CPA, or it's any area in life that, you have a goal in. So make sure you write down your goals, pay attention to your goals, treat your goals seriously, and form your mind to hit those goals. Okay. So that's all I got for this video. I just wanted to basically touch on that with you guys. I just wanted to break down how I became successful with CPA affiliate marketing using law of attraction. Really is how I became successful. So I hope you guys, took notes in this video and follow what I did. All right. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.